So just that you see it.
Right. That we're abeam it, so like when it's off of our right wing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Friendly 5-7, traffic's Cessna 3 southeast of Kanakakai will be at below 1500
yep,
and transitioning northbound.
Looking for that traffic, friendly 5-7.
They're tracking us.
We're gonna say, like, we're gonna wave hi to them. Jen, I'll leave that up to you. Fly the friendly skies. Oh wow, that water is so pretty.
So what island is this that we're coming up on?
Molokai. Not to get confused with Molokini.
Is it? This might be a stupid question, but is it part of Maui?
Yes, it is part of Maui County. I mean, you can't like drive here, no.
No, yeah. Flyer boat.
Yeah. 5-2 Papa is coming up on Kanakakai. Still looking for the traffic up.
Miles northbound at indicating 1400.
We're climbing through 1900 now, still looking for that traffic, friendly 5-7. Insight, friendly 5-7.
Friendly 5-7, roger, maintain visual with that traffic, thank you.
He already spotted us?
5-2 Papa's lost the traffic in sight, and we are abeam Kanakakai.
Wait, where is the plane?
Cessna 56 Papa, roger, report clear to the north, remain east of the field, altimeter 3002.
Jen, do you see them?
Alright, report clear to the north, 3002, 5 Sierra Papa.
I'm gonna get one of those, like, videos that airline pilots get whenever they're flying. It's like, maintain visual separation.
Yep.
25-6 left at taxiway, Charlie, taxi to park.
Charlie, park, friendly 5-7.
Hello.
There's another rainbow out to the right. See it?
Oh, wow. Love it.
Okay, Dara 5 Sierra Papa, just verifying that we got on altitude.
35 Sierra Papa, resume on navigation and altitude, thanks.
On navigation and altitude, 5 Sierra Papa, thank you.
25-7, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, friendly 5-7.
So have you heard anything about Molokai before? Alright, so Molokai actually has some of the tallest sea cliffs in the world, 3,000 foot sea cliffs. And also, yeah, you heard me right, 3,000 foot.
Wow.
And you guys ever heard about the leper sea colony? The lepers?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that was here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So once we come over this cliff line, this 1,000 foot cliff right in front of us.
Holy crap. Okay, I was wondering, like, what the... Okay, wow.
You'll actually see Kalapapo, and that's where all the lepers were dropped off.
Oh, okay. That's not a very fun place. Looks like a Christmas tree farm. See that, Jen?
Yeah. It's very, like uniform looking.
Yeah.
They use it as a wind block.
Oh,
Wow,
okay.
that's cool.
Yeah.
Is this all like farmland?
Yes.
What do they grow?
Good question. I do not know. The only time I've ever been on Molokai is at the actual airport or the harbor. Never actually set foot on the
No way.
land outside of the airport or the harbor.
Wow. Ooh, Jen, look to the, like, our 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Look at that rainbow. My gosh. Oh, look to the 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. That is nuts.
And then you got photos like that of the airport.
That's the airport. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
like cool photos like that.
Oh. Can you get a picture of that?
Are you asking me?
To the left
Of what?
of the airport. There's an airport right there.
Is it a little airport?
Yeah.
Oh, right there. I see it. Sorry, I did not see it. It's kind of into the sun. I don't know how good the picture is going to be, but
That's okay. Oh my gosh. That is cool.
oh, that's a tall cliff.
Yeah, so this is what, like, I
See it
haven't changed my
already.
altitude. The land is just coming up to us.
Oh wow.
That's crazy.
Rover 56 Papa, you heading towards Maui?
Affirmative, 53 Papa.
Rover 56 Papa, frequency change approved, no reported traffic ahead of you at this time.
Alright, frequency change approved. You have a great day, boss. 50 Papa.
Yep, we'll see you, thanks.
Wow. That.
And this is the
Jen.
Molokai Sea Cliffs that the island is very famous for.
Oh my gosh.
That's insane. Those
That
are
is-
ginormous. Could you imagine falling off that cliff?
Yeah, that would not be very fun. It's kind of sloped. I guess you could tumble off of them.
Oh my gosh.
It wouldn't be like a straight downfall.
They should put like a water slide down it.
All the
They're just getting taller.
Yeah.
It's into the clouds. That is crazy.
That's insane.
Alright, I like this place.
Is this just all volcano?
Yeah. Just
Wow.
naturally formed sea cliffs.
Oh my gosh. So pretty. Can I fly again?
Yeah.
Okay. What do I need to do?
Yeah, just hold our
Maintain.
altitude. Yeah.
Okay.
Altitude and heading, yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So where am I looking for the heading? Sorry, I should probably.
Just look outside.
Oh, just outside. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
What we are doing is called VFR flying, so visual flight rules, meaning that you fly visually,
Okay.
not instruments.
Okay.
So what your instructor should be getting you in the habit of is not looking here but flying
Oh, okay.
and knowing your heading and if you're climbing or descending just by looking outside.
Okay.
And then you're every once in a while you come in here to verify what you're seeing is
Oh,
correct.
okay. Okay. Oh, there's another airport.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Papa traffic. Sky 55, Sierra Papa 1,600, 3 miles to the southwest, eastbound, passing over the peninsula.
So no one lives on this side of the island?
Nope, other than over here in Kalapapa, but other than that, no. Sorry, never mind. There is one person.
One person?
Yeah. Well, sorry, one house. I don't know how many people live in the house, but there is one house.
Oh.
I'll point it out to you.
One person.
Yeah.
It's raining.
The sea cliffs. Wow.
Did you feel like you liked VFR better or IFR better?
VFR.
Oh, okay.
Definitely VFR.
Yeah, because then you can actually enjoy the scenery.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, these clouds are amazing.
Look at the rock formations up ahead. Wow.
That is spectacular.
That's crazy that you can't even see the top because of the clouds.
Right. It is so pretty. There's a waterfall.
Where?
It's like at like 12:30.
Is that a lighthouse to the left?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I need to get a picture for my...
This is like top-notch weather that I would love to fly in because there's clouds. I kind of dislike blue sky days. I really like clouds a lot. But there's this nice little corridor that we can just fly through. No big deal. Clouds to the left, clouds to the right, and sunshine.
Yeah. I like flying above them.
Oh. I assume that we can't do that.
I mean, we can, but then you won't get to see the pretty view down here.
Yeah, that's
I mean, like,
very
look
true.
up through that valley.
Oh my gosh. The valleys are so pretty.
That is insane. Wait, is that the house right there? What's that below us?
That's a church. That's not the house I was talking about.
Who goes to that church?
The people of Kalapapa. That church is actually the one that Father Damien, which is the guy who took care of all the leprosy, the people who had leprosy, that's Father Damien's church.
Wow. Okay, I'm supposed to be looking through this valley right here.
Okay. I'll show you real quick.
Okay.
Wait, what's in the valley?
We're diving.
Oh my gosh, it's so deep in there.
Yeah.
Is there a waterfall in there?
Yeah, no, there's like 3 waterfalls that I was trying to show you, but you kept on climbing.
I'm sorry. You didn't tell me.
Annie, I told you I wanted to see a waterfall.
Dang it. Can we circle around?
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Never
I was
mind.
gonna say, I'm sure there's more.
Yeah, there's one right there. Do you see that one on the right?
Oh my gosh, yeah, I see it.
Oh my gosh.
Barely, but I see
So
it.
the house is actually right there at 1 o'clock.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, wow.
How do you even get there?
Helicopter.
Oh.
And only helicopter. You can't even get there by boat.
There's like a cave there. Okay, I'm taking my sunglasses off. There's a cave. Oh my gosh, it's a James Bond house. What rich billionaire lives there?
Echo, you could have controls again.
Oh, okay. It's Batman.
Yeah, who does live there?
It's Batman when he wants a vacation, but he still kind of wants to work.
That's insane, that little tiny house.
It's a 2-story house. It just looks tiny from here.